Playa certified. My DIY bodywork $200 starter kit.
You need to get money. I'm a man, I ain't running away.
Alright, y'all, quick video, right? So I spent about 160. I got high tech. This is the best in the game. This is at every body shop, so they say. You feel me? Y'all let me know. I got the performance code activator. I got some tape. I got some swipies. I got some performance coding. And then I subsequently bought some more sandpaper. Best performance. You feel me? So, right? I got this again. I get you guys like, what is
Alright, boys, we got high tech body filler. This is for filling, dents, and dings, smoothing out panels before primer. Performance coating, activator. This mixes with the primer to make sure the primer is strong and fast. Performance coating, premium 2K primer. This is primer. It's built for smooth and good surfaces. I got the ice and putty. This is for the pinholes and the tiny touch-ups after the filler. Some might go sanding this. These knock out filler and level the sanding surfaces. Mixing cups, they keep the filler and everything good with the ratios right when I mix. The mixing cups, these help me stir up everything smooth. The sanding blocks help me sand and to get all my curves right and tight. I got the dual action sander, give me the power to the flat areas, and it takes me to save time. So I don't have to do it by my freaking hands. And I have the hand sander or the grinder. This thing rests out well holes and do touch-up metal spots on GDB devices.
What is he doing with this? That right there. And this right here. So, I'll show y'all. Basically, we already got our little puttied up.
Pull up to the east side, hilltop where I'm at. Catch me in the old school, 28 all black. Pull up to
I gotta use it for this too. So we can fill that back up. This right here, I gotta take this little metal trim off. Yeah, man. This is the smallest video I'm ever gonna make. Well, my boy, that's my list, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm grinding for y'all be cooking. That's all I got.
Chasing my friend who ran into the streets half naked. Girl, what you doing out here with all this booty?
Are you gonna help me or not?